Hey guys, today I'm excited to share with you my dark brown lookbook featuring 13 stylish outfits. Dark brown has become my favorite color to style with lately, as you can probably tell, and I can't wait to show you how versatile it can be. First up, we have this head-to-toe fake leather look. I've become so obsessed with the set from Alfred Eden. It's super trendy and interesting, especially when elevated with these thigh-high boots and purse. An all-matching outfit with similar materials makes the overall look polished and very put together. I even switched out the cropped leather jacket with this baggier one to show how this look can become slightly more casual using the same jacket material. Next, I'm wearing a laced bustier top, cargo pants, and a fake leather oversized jacket. Mixing and matching different textures like leather, cotton, and lace adds depth to the outfit. So don't be afraid to play with textures to keep your monochrome look visually interesting. For the next outfit, I'm playing with different shades of brown with the skirt, vest, and turtleneck combination. Adding the lighter shades of brown with the purse and leg warmers creates a more balanced and harmonious look. Varying the shades of brown also helps to highlight the details of each piece. Now, accessories can make or break an outfit. This time, I've added a stylish brown bag and a black and gold belt. Metallic accents can elevate your monochromatic look, giving it a touch of sophistication. I actually own a pair of black and gold loafers, so I don't know why I didn't switch out these brown loafers with those, but either way, I guess this one works too. Next, balancing proportions is crucial. Here, I'm wearing an oversized knit sweater with slim fit trousers. Pairing loose with fitted pieces helps to create a flattering silhouette. Here is another interesting silhouette. The top I'm wearing here is tight on the top, but is loose at the bottom, so I thought pairing it with these flowy pants would work. And then to dress this look up, I switched out the shirt with this lace bustier top shown previously. I also added this slightly oversized crop jacket, but I actually prefer the way this outfit looks without it. For the next outfit, I'm keeping the pants but layering this fake leather button-up corset over this turtleneck. Layering similar shades like this can create a cohesive outfit perfect for various settings like the office or even a night out. I'm also playing around with textures, combining fake leather with other fabrics, which adds some depth to the look. Then I switched out the flowy pants with this cute plaid printed pleated skirt from Aritzia. Don't shy away from patterns. This plaid skirt looks great with the solid turtleneck and corset. Mixing patterns and solids can add visual interest without overwhelming the look. Now for a more casual and streetwear look, throwing on super baggy pants will do just a trick. I wanted to balance my proportions here, so I thought pairing these pants with this tighter cropped off-the-shoulder top would look more balanced. Here, I'm wearing another plaid skirt with this button-up, textured, trendy top with slightly flowy sleeves and knit socks. I'm once again not only playing with different textures, but also playing with different prints. Now I'm keeping the same top on, but switching with the flowy pants shown earlier because I think the flowy sleeves of the top complements well with the flowy shape of the pants. And then I decided to end off this lookbook with a casual streetwear style outfit with this halter top and cargos of the same brown shade and the shiny crocodile embossed purse. So there you have it, 13 stylish dark brown outfits. As you can see, monochrome doesn't have to mean monotone. Playing with different shades, textures, silhouettes, and more can really elevate your outfits and keep things interesting. I hope some of these outfits have given some sort of inspiration, and hopefully these tips can help you create your own monochrome looks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion inspo. Take care, and thanks for watching.